Hi guys.
Howdy, we're at the end of our 3-day trip at the Daintree. Sorry mate, I'm squinting here because the sun is just pelting down on my body and it just feels amazing. We're sitting outside our camping spot and we're going to give you a quick summary of 3 days at the Daintree.
But before we do that, we were a bit reluctant and sceptical to come up here, weren't we? Because this is our third trip here.
Third time. First time we did the first 2 times we did a day trip. And this time we said, you know what, let's actually stay and enjoy and slow down the pace and see what it has to offer.
A 3-hour tour.
In 300 meters, leave the ferry. Leave the ferry.
Leave the ferry, fuck off. Not leaving no ferry. Not with those fucking snappy, happy Huey, Dewey and Louis out there.
In 500 meters, arrive at Cape Tribulation Camping.
Fire, we can have a fire.
So got the map, and they've actually given us 3 options. We can go to 18, 6 or 11.
Hey guys, we've checked out 3 sites and it looks like number 6 is the way to go. It's super boggy here. They've obviously had quite a bit of rain, but we're going with a roll of the punches.
What you got there?
I've got the sandbar food menu and it's very noisy because it's school holidays, but it looks good. The pizzas look good.
What's the hat for, Michelle?
Horses are on the tractor.
Going for a little horse ride around Cape Trib. This is on the beach. This is something Michelle wanted to do. It's a birthday present. Beautiful setting. Thank you.
Our wet just hasn't left us alone. I don't think it dries in here.
There's my horse, Ash.
Unfortunately, they are still animals. We cannot read their minds. We need to know how to stop them, turn them, control them, etc. Anything can happen out in the rainforest.
Michelle? Let's walk out just here on this little sandbank at the moment. Just have a look at that. Wow, there's some great coconuts around here.
They call me Pammy. Did a bit of Googling last night and I found this place called Mason's Swimming Hole. It says, the word Google, that it's the only place where you can swim in the Cape Trib where you're not going to get eaten by crocodile. And we're doing $2 to go and swim in the Mason's swimming hole where there's no crocodiles because the crocodiles are in the burgers.
Are the burgers better at
The burgers
Hungry
are better
Masons?
at Mason's Cafe. So I figure that Dan goes in first.
Uh-huh.
The crocodile that potentially could be in here will have a snack and then won't feel like me after that.
Mm-hmm. What if there's a whole lot of crocodiles and they're all hungry? Look at the fish. Oh. Oh. That's one way of doing it. Just falling in.
We're in the Daintree, swimming, kissing. The serenity's beautiful. Can't
Look at
tell
that
you
tree
much
there.
more. Oh, the trees are just spectacular.
How beautiful is this?
Oh, this little swimming spot is magnificent. Third time.
It's the third time that we've been here, yeah? To the Daintree?
Third time in the Daintree.
Yep.
And we are yet to stumble on.
A cassowary?
We note that there's signs there.
Yeah, but it's an urban myth, right?
Urban myth. They're just the signs are there, we're convinced, because they just want to bring the tourists in.
Yeah. We know they exist because we've actually seen them. We've never seen one in the Daintree.
We have seen one. We've seen two.
We've had two actual
sightings.
sightings. One near the Atherton Tablelands and the other one at Eddy Bay. We saw one there with a couple chicks, and also in the Atherton Tablelands. But third time here we've been in the Daintree, none, nada, zero, garnished. They don't exist here. We're yet to see one. Prove to us otherwise.